Every production manager knows the true cost of an industrial line. It's not the price of the spare part. It's that 3 a.m. phone call telling you the line is down. Inconsistent oxide quality doesn't just mean waste. It means losing the entire batch, delaying the supply chain, and guaranteeing a difficult conversation with the board. And when your budget supplier from overseas leaves you stranded, with machinery halted for 6 months waiting for a critical component, who pays the real price in terms of pressure and penalties is you.
But what if your professional life could change? What if your equipment choice could lift the weight of worry for the next 10 years? July 2020. We installed this complete lead oxide production plant in Germany. The supplier was 𝐂𝐄𝐄. 5 years later, just last week, we went back. This is what we found. No abnormal corrosion, no structural failures causing line stops, just the predictable, almost boring reality of 24/7 compliant oxide production.
The true measure of high performance is when you simply don't have to think about it anymore. 𝐂𝐄𝐄 delivers peace of mind. Choosing industrial machinery is more than a budget expense. It's a career decision. It defines your operational continuity and your professional success. Choosing 𝐂𝐄𝐄 means choosing to eliminate the risks that keep you up at night. Stop buying machinery. Start investing in time, tranquility, and durability. There's a solution for everything. For lead oxide and curing chambers, the solution is 𝐂𝐄𝐄, built to last forever and designed to save your professional life.